So you decide that you want to learn how you can make money with Wayfair affiliate program. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review the Wayfair affiliate program and then what are the best ways how you can actually make money with Wayfair affiliate program. I focus on affiliates and I love creating videos like these, and I hope you will enjoy this video too. Also, if you want to learn what strategies I use that I make thousands of dollars monthly from affiliate on the internet, I created a free webinar, free masterclass down below in the description. So when you're going to click on it, register with the email, you can watch it. And then also on a monthly basis, I send you every time like the best strategies on affiliate and also the best programs that you can join right now, and all of that I send right there, so definitely check it out. So right here, when we're going to be in Wayfair, what we can find here, we can go to partner with us. When you would just write Google affiliate Wayfair and what they offer and why they are really good. So here you got the few things. The first thing is that yes, they offer, I think it's 7%, 5 to 7%, 7% commission, 7-day referral period. Now you can say that, okay, 7% commission is not that much, but when you look at it from a different perspective, 7% commission from a high product is a lot. So let's say they got a bedding and bath, right? Or they have the furniture, living room, sofas. And here you can find like the 335 or only futon sofa. And you can go with the customer rating. And what you can do is actually, like, let's say there's a $1,000 sofa that people are buying. And what you can do is actually like start writing about it. And then promote it. And look at this, like people can even sleep on that. That's perfect. Now, what is the best strategy how we can promote these kind of products is that if you're going to start writing, let's say articles, you can make it on Pinterest. Like on Pinterest, plenty of people are using Pinterest for getting ideas. So you can use there and just connect your affiliate link, connect it to, let's say, some kind of landing page that you have. But you see that this is a really good way how we can make money. And now when I go here, I can simply, let's see what we're going to find here. Okay, we see that plenty of people are using that. Now what you can do is, like, this is going to be interesting. You can go in a place where they have this kind of sofas. I don't know where, in a store. And what you can do is actually record the video about it on a mobile and then add an affiliate link down below in the description. So if you're interested, you can easily buy it. And this thing you can do for everything. And I know plenty of people who make for cars, for mobile phones, for whatever. They go to the store, they show it to person so they don't have to go to the store. And now they say like, okay, if you want to buy it, it's a really good one. It's like really comfortable. And you can easily buy it. So that's the fun way, but they don't have any locations right now. So you should have like to find even competitors. But other than that, my recommendation is not, you don't even have to write the articles by yourself. You can use also the Write Sonic. There's a link down below in the description that you can click on and you can start writing completely for free. And you see that you're gonna have the topic here. So look at this. Topic, copywriting versus content writing. You can have there sofas. Then you're gonna have the ideas. Then you're gonna have the intro about the sofa. And then you're gonna have the outline about it. Like the things, like let's say review or comparison about sofas, whatever. And then the article. You would get the whole article on, and then you can easily share it. With intros, with everything. And Write Sonic is really perfect for that if you want to actually make money with Wayfair affiliate program. And that's something that I would definitely recommend for you to do if you want to make money. So to summarize this whole video, with a Wayfair, you can choose whatever you need with the kitchen, with the baby and kids, home improvement, appliances. Then we're gonna have for pet here. So I would recommend definitely to do something that you are interested in and that you understand. I see many people that are doing stuff that they don't really understand, they're promoting it, and many times they're not successful because they don't know how to use it, right? But I would recommend definitely to do it like this, that you're gonna at least understand how the market works. Look at this best furniture design, and we can go best sofas for living room, and people want to actually check it out, right? And there are going to be plenty of people interested in those videos, but you can easily like research what people are searching for. And now you see that this person, they are not actually like, they're not there. What they're doing, they're talking about it. And you can talk about it too. Like Amelia sofa. And look at this, Amelia sofa, Brace sofa, all of these are affiliate links. Amazon, look at this. Camden sofa, they all have the things that they can promote. And that's pretty much it, how we're gonna do it. So I hope I helped to give you a little bit of an idea how we can promote Wayfair. It really depends what kind of like what you want to actually sell, but this is what I would do. Create YouTube videos, start blogging, and I create a whole, like I create a whole tutorial on how you can start blogging. You will find it down below in the description, and definitely check it out. So thank you very much guys, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.